whole thing is putting on a big brake on the KX65. That literally means putting on a bigger front rotor. So I assume you searched for this on YouTube, and if you did, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. We're gonna take a 73 Moto Parts, that's .com Moto Parts. We're gonna mount it up there and we're gonna take it out racing tomorrow. Let's get into it. Okay, so a basic concept for this is that we are going to increase the front rotor size of this KX65 and increase the actual piston count on the front caliper, because it is a single piston front caliper. We're going to be converting it to a bigger two piston caliper from Nissan. So basically what we're doing is taking a 450 or 252 stroke front caliper, and we're putting on this machine with a 220 floating front rotor. Now let's talk about rider weight. I am 206, not a small guy by any means, but I'm gonna need as much braking and stopping power as I can get. So having a larger front rotor is gonna give me that actual leverage on the front wheel to be able to stop the bike. Tomorrow we're gonna be out with Southeast Mini Moto. I've never been on track for the KX65. I know what you're thinking, that's a tiny little bike, but I promise you, 65 cc's of two-stroke madness is insane. And that bike is not heavy. I can literally pick it up. Let's get going. 73 Moto Parts sells this little Chinese copy of like a Brembo radial master cylinder. It's made by Adelin. By the way, this is the caliper that I'm referring to. It's a Nissan two-piston caliper. The factory one, like I said, is a single piston. You will need this little guy, again green because, you know, Kawasaki. And then the brake line, you guys can see that. Ta-da. So I think it's pretty simple. All we have to do is get the rotor, which is right there, just laying on the ground because apparently I don't care about it. Get it onto the wheel, and then unfortunately, because of the size of this whole thing, what has to happen, you have to take the caliper, you have to take the disc off, okay? So that you can put the caliper on over the disc, all right? And then you put the disc on the wheel. Okay, that's how big this is. You can't even get this caliper off with the disc bolted to the wheel. So to give you an idea that you're going to the max. Okay, now this is for a 12-inch cast rim. There is a difference between a 12-inch cast and a 12-inch spoked rim. There's a clearance thing there. Don't ask me which one, I don't know, okay? Let's get back to it. That's it, guys. We're done. Or I'm done. I'm gonna call it good, okay? So, hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to check out more videos about me and what I do, check out the channel, Aaron773. Do a lot of actual racing with big bikes, not just little bikes. Thanks. See you later.